Look. Execute. Run the code and see the result. Today's topic is Python swapping. Python swapping or exchanging items in a list. So this animation will help you to understand how Python swapping works with a clear animation. Okay, for example, on this list, we have orange, apple, banana, grape, and mango. We want to swap. That means we want to take this grape and put it on this position, which is index 1. So, and then we want to take this apple and put it at this grape position, meaning we want to exchange. We want to take what is at index 3 and put it at index 1, and then take this apple that is located at index 1 and put it on this index 3. It's called swapping or exchanging items in a list. So here we have the whole list here. Right now, this is how it works. Okay, I'm going to show you the code that corresponds to what I'm doing. This is a list. Okay, this is how it works. So the first step is we have my fruit. We're going to take the position. So because we want to take what is inside apple and put grape there. So apple is at index 1. So we're going to choose 1. And here, we jump here, we say we want to put anything located at this index 3. We want to put it where the apple is currently. So the index 3, we're going to choose 3. And then we want to do the same thing again. So here, we want to take this one, which is going to be index 1. And then here, index 3. So basically what we're saying, here, we're taking what is here and put it here. And then we're taking what is here and put it here. So if I execute this code right now, you will see that this is going to swap the apple with grapes. Look. You can see. You can also see the result here. You can see how it went. So the next step, the next thing we want to do, we want to exchange orange with mango. So we have orange and then we have mango. So orange is the first one and mango is the last one. So orange is located at index 0, which is correct. And mango index 4. So we're going to choose 4 here. And then we're going to also take this here, going to be index 4, and then index 0. So now when we run this code, you will see that the orange will be exchanged with mango. They will swap positions. I'm going to execute. So swapping is just exchanging positions. So you need to understand one thing. Let's go to our normal code here. If you look here, we have the same thing. Okay. This one here will be exchanged with this one. So you can see index 3 will be exchanged with index 1. And then you have to do that again, where you say the index 1 need to also go into index 3. Here you are saying index 3 should go into index 1. Then you have to say, take what is inside index 1 and also put it inside index 3. That is how it works. So if we run this code right now, we'll see, because apple is at index 1 and grapes index 3. Remember the list count from 0. So that means this here will be replaced with this. This grape here will be replaced with this apple, and this apple will move and be replaced with the grapes. So let's run the code and see the result. So right here we have now the grapes is now at index 1, and the apple has moved to index 3. That is how it works. Now, don't forget, when you are swapping, this one, okay, after the equal sign here, it will go into this one. And this one will go into this one. And now we can go back to our this thing again and check our code again. Let's swap again. Okay, let's swap apple with mango. So now, because apple is at index, okay, let's use banana. Let's swap banana with mango. Banana is at index 2 and mango is at index 4. So we're going to say banana, which is index 2, and then mango, index 4. So again, we're going to say again index 4 here, and then we're going to say index 2. So right now, this will swap the banana with mango. They will exchange positions. You can see how it's moving. Yes, and that is what swapping is all about. It's about exchanging the item's position. Like you take what is at index, a particular index position, to put it on another index position, and take whatever that is on that index position where you put a new item, and then you put it on the other one. And that's what swapping is. And don't forget to comment, like, follow. And if you have any question on this, please drop it in the comment section, and then we're going to come back and give you more details